Welcome all education tutorial followers. My name is Waktola. In this video we will be discussing 2025 Year Ethiopian Grade 12 English Final Model Exam Solution Part 1. To get all weekly published video by this program, please like, share and subscribe this channel. Question 23. As Marie noticed a narrow slippery pavement while walking down the hill, she proceeded gingerly. What does the word gingerly imply in this context? A. She walked quickly. C. She strode joyfully. B. She moved cautiously. D. She ran excitedly. The word gingerly in this context implies that Marie moved cautiously. So the correct answer is B. She moved cautiously. Question 24. The government has introduced measures to assuage public concerns about rising cost of living. What does the word assuage according to the context of this sentence? A. To increase. B. To exacerbate. C. To lessen. D. To promote. The word assuage in this context means to lessen or to alleviate public concerns. So the correct answer is C. To lessen. Question 25. The news headlines describe the conflict as particularly savage, with brutal tactics employed by both sides. What does the word savage mean in this context? A. Calm. B. Peaceful. C. Orderly. D. Violent. The word savage in this context means violent, as it describes the brutal nature of the conflict. So the correct answer is D. Violent. Question 26. The company's excessive spending on projects which has not yet been approved was deemed ruinous. What does the word ruinous mean in this sentence? A. Priceless. B. Lucrative. C. Costly. D. Innovative. The word ruinous in this sentence means costly, as it implies that the excessive spending could lead to negative consequences or damage. So the correct answer is C. Costly.